get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. I've been running in circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can.
So I'm gonna get my nails done, guys, today, and as you guys can see, this is like pretty long and some of it is actually out and broken. So I'm gonna get this done and trim it, put a new color on, and I'm gonna show you guys the process of it.
Just in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do?
Yes, I'm here in the grocery store with my mom, and we're just gonna get something real quick. Always whenever I go to grocery store, it feels like I'm vlogging with my mom along with me. So yeah, we are here now and we're just gonna buy some stuff. I want to get some yogurt and yeah.
And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly. Yeah, I try my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so dearly, 'cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath.
Hey guys, so I received a new parcel today from Cherishaaa, Malaysia. So I'm thinking this must be from I think this must be from, who's this again? Laura Mercier, if I'm not mistaken. And go ahead and open this. Wow, I have my own name on the bag. Let's just see what's inside of this. And inside of this, guys, I received two beautiful cards. Like they also have like a label of what primer is good for you. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys like a little zoom in so you can see what's going on here. And it's really pretty though, as I can see here. I love this, guys. I received another translucent honey powder. Like I still have a lot of this left in my house, and I received again this. I've just sent an email to all of you girls who actually wanted to join for my blogging workshop. I really appreciate if you guys can just send a confirmation email right on top of the email that I just sent. I just want to have a overall idea of who is actually really going to join. And with that being said, thank you very much guys for really wanting to learn from me, and I'm so excited we're going to do this together. So I'm going to see you guys there, and please do send a confirmation email. This is like our home rules, okay? So during the entire Zoom call, let's just mute our audio, and if you have any other questions, let's just wait until the end of the session so you guys can just ask me anything, because I worry that sometimes when 2 or 3 people talk, then it's going to be like an interruption. So let's just wait for that to settle. And since our Zoom call is going to be like 40 minutes maximum, that's how much time I have. So after each 40 minutes, we will have a 15 minutes break, and then we'll come back again. Is that okay? Cool. Do you guys want to say anything for the vlog?
Thank you so much, Cherishaaa, for the time you've taken. I know you're very busy, but thank you so much for taking your time during the weekend.
Don't worry, my pleasure.
Very insightful.
Thank you so much, Cherishaaa. I've learned a lot, especially in terms of sponsorship and like how do we affiliate with brands and stuff. So thank you so much for the insight.
Thank you.
Enjoyed myself. Thank you.
Thank you.
I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly. Yeah, I tried my best, but nothing turns out right. trying, you never